Hi, thanks for stopping by. Let's open up this Dior holiday gift box. It's such a beautiful, beautiful box with the circus theme for 2025 in this golden white color. Let's open her up and see what I purchased, guys. And here we go. A little ASMR for you. Now let's get into this box. I got one of the Glow Ritual Holiday box. But first, let's open up my free samples. You get 2 free samples. I got Miss Dior here, and I have the fabulous J'adore. You got 2 free samples with every purchase with Dior. Now, let's look at this beautiful holiday gift set. Do you see that beautiful gold metallic little purse there? And this you get 3 items, and then you also see the stars on there and the CD on the case with that beautiful metallic material. Let's open her up and see what's inside this Natural Glow Ritual Holiday gift set. With this, you get the beautiful Dior Lip Maximizer in pink and the lip glow as well. And you get the Dior Capture Day Cream there, as you see. So they're more of a pink peachy color, but they're stunning. Let's open it up. Look at that color on that, guys. That's the Dior Addict Lip Glow in pink. Such a beautiful, beautiful color. Let's try it on. This is the glow I received on my skin. I have it on my hand, and I am a beautiful over 50 mature skin, so it may look differently on you, but she's glowing. Now let's try out the Lip Maximizer. This Lip Maximizer has that slight minty feel, and you do feel that sensation when you put it on your lips. And look at that glow for your lips. Stunning. She's beautiful, but they're both pretty much the same. I think the Lip Maximizer has a bit more of that beautiful shiny glow. Here at the top, again, is the Lip Maximizer. And on the bottom that I'm going to show you is the Lip Glow in pink. So you have the Maximizer here, and then you have the Lip Addict. Now let's look at the Dior Capture Day Cream. This day cream was so thick and luxurious. Oh my goodness, it's going to feel great on your skin, guys. I'm going to pick it up and show it to you. Look how thick it is. Thick and luxurious. Thick and luxurious. Anyway, guys, I'm got my tongue tied here. I turned it upside down just to show you how thick it is. It's such a lovely day cream that you could wear at any time during the day. I guess if you want to wear it at night, hey, go for it. Why not? It's your product. And I'm just going to close it up so it doesn't dry out. And look at the beautiful packaging. And then, of course, you get your QR code there if you're interested. Your Dior receipt as well. And once again, let's look at these products. That beautiful, beautiful bag. This bag was under $100. Not sure if it's still available. Again, this is the Natural Glow Ritual Holiday 2025 gift set. I was trying to take the plastic off there and look inside once again. And there you are for 2025. What a beautiful gift. And it is a limited edition. So you got to make sure you go to Dior.com and try to grab some of these products that are still hopefully available for you all. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. See you soon.